What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be working on the Civic, and we've got some bulbs here sent from AUTOONE, which I think his name is Mike over at AUTOONE. But yeah, he sent me these bulbs over for the Civic, and I believe they're taillight bulbs. So I'll show you guys me unboxing these and installing them so we can get some nice LEDs going on in the taillight department. I don't know if I think it's just the outers, just some taillights, but they should be nice and bright. So always got to convert everything to LED. I got the fronts from Auxito on the housings, and we're trying out the AUTOONE in the rear. So just giving you guys my take on everything, and if you should buy these products, which, you know, so far packaging looks good. I like it, and long lasting, high brightness, low power consumption. Sounds like good stuff. So let me get this thing opened up. Okay, looks like it's all in foam here. Alright, you can see they're nice and red. They come all packaged pretty nicely in here, and yeah, they look pretty sweet. So I'm excited to see how bright they are. I'll set this aside here, and I'll install one and give you guys a demo in the bright sunlight of the difference, and then we can say for sure, you know, what's brighter. So let's get into the car here. So we can just pop the trunk. Hopefully we can change this without removing the taillight, which, yeah, it looks like we can. So I think the bulb we're looking to do is this top one here. So you can see, not super difficult here. Just want to try to work the bulb out. Hard to do with one hand, but I think we got it. And let's put this in. I assume polarity matters, so we'll have to test fit this in here, make sure that it fits. Yeah, I may have to put the camera down for this one. Oh, no, I think I got it. Alrighty, so we got it in. Now I'm just gonna go turn the lights on here, and we'll see if this lights up. So this is the LED in the daylight, and this is the halogen. So you can kind of see the halogen. It's not that bright, and then when you come over here to the LED, I feel as though you can see it a lot better in person. Yeah, look how much it lights up that entire area there, as opposed to this side where you really only see it in the center where the light is. So I don't know what you guys think. We'll see what it looks like at night. I'll probably just have to wait till it's evening. We'll get a good look, but oh yeah, you can see it from there. It's definitely brighter. So it's always good, because you know you're not going to get rear-ended. I'll get a little tripod and I'll hit the brakes, and we'll see how that works too. Okay, that was not an accurate test. I think I had them in wrong. That one on the right was totally not in right. So make sure you snap them in correctly. You got 3 tabs on there with little holes, and you got to try to get to them. So I'll just demonstrate what I'm talking about here. You can see in here, this guy, you're gonna have to twist it. And you got all these tabs, and you'll know that it lines up when it sits flush in there. If it doesn't sit flush, you didn't get it correctly. So when you get it right, it should drop in flush and just spin relatively easily and lock in, or else it's not oriented right. So you got one large tab, and that goes on top. I can't speak for the other side right now, but As long as you line up the tabs, you should be good. So then it'll sit flush in there. And these things are super bright. Way brighter than before. So yeah, you really couldn't even see the halogens. And these are like really bright. So yeah, good to see that we got it. Let me just do one of these. You can see the difference. I now need to get some for the center where the trunk is, because it does not match. We got bright ones on the side and dim in the center. So we gotta maybe get a couple more so everything matches, because we're definitely missing out there. But once I hit the brakes, you guys will see the nice bright brake lights too. So let me go do that for you. Set up on the tripod, check on the brake lights. And that's that, guys. So I think they look pretty sweet. Hopefully you guys like them, and I'll let you know in the long term how good they last. If they look like they're flickering, they're not. It's just the camera, but they look good. Good job. Just need 2 more because it doesn't even match now. You can actually tell a big difference. So yeah, nice upgrade. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on the Civic, and go check out AUTOONE, and it is Mike from AUTOONE. I did check on it, and yeah, go check them out, and go check out the site and see if you guys can find something that fits your car. And I'll have a link in the description. There's Dad in the golf cart. We gotta put some AUTOONE lights on that too. But yeah, so hopefully we get some more lights coming in soon, and get this thing all set up. More Accord work as well. Yeah, trying to put this weather strip on. It's not going well, so I don't know. I may have to have the glass taken out, so I gotta figure that out. We'll try though, do our best. Gasket's coming in, so yeah, stay tuned for some more content, guys. Thank you all for watching, and peace. We'll see you in the next one.